Hello friends, Sam here. So in this video what we are going to do, we will be decoding different HTTP status codes. So whenever you hit any web service, it give you some error. So every error is associated with some status code. So mostly it can be errors, but not every time. For example, if I say it is successful, so whatever you are requesting to that website, it is giving you that successful, then that will be successful. It's like 200, so 200 will be successful, right? So let me add 200 also over here. So it will be successful status code when it is 200, right? So not every status code is really error, but it give you information about what is the problem really with that particular website. Now, as a Mulesoft developer or as a any integration product developer like Tibco or something, what is the use of this status code? So for example, let us say I am creating the RAML file, and here in the response, I have to specify the status code. So my web service REST API will give which response, which status code in which situation. So that I need to know that this status code is used for what, which status code is for which purpose. So for this, there is very good site available, which is nothing but, let me open my notepad. So very good site which is available, that is nothing but http.cat. Okay, cat, really you will see cat. Let me open that site for you. http.cat. This will give you meaning of each and every status code. You can just hit this URL and you can give the particular status code. Let us say I'm giving, let's say 200. I'm giving 200. So it will give you, this is what, okay. So successful. If I give 400 over here, okay, so it can give bad request. And if you want to find out all of them, you can just go here. Right from 100 is continue, 101 is switching protocols, 102 is processing. So you can see that that is indicated with cat moods. It looks that the developer of this tool is cat lover, so everything is represented with cat mood. So here you can find out the meaning of each and every status code, and accordingly you can use it in your API specification. So for example, if your login is failed, let's say I do have a login resource here. If my login is getting failed, you may use some error near status code over here, and then that JSON file you can send it as the response. So that's how you can use this HTTP status code. I hope this http.cat tool you found very useful, and try to use that and take advantage of that. So thanks for watching this video friends, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.